like to, without taking further ado, I would like to welcome the Federation President for the opening remarks, and of course, to welcome our guests as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Richard. Madam Minister, SG, FIFA Council member, the President of SICAFA, who are here present, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being here. AFD. Here of the President Gianni Infantino, which I really ask SG to send our sincere appreciation for, in partnership with the ministry, to grant 10 mini pitches. This is the first one we are going to inaugurate officially, and also for committing to 20 more pitches for FIFA Arena, for our youth, for our development, for football, with FIFA and the ministry. So allow us to give a way of people, of young guys to develop their talent. So without further ado, I know we are ready for an agenda today. I want to once again to welcome you and feel home a few minutes. The agenda will be really on a rush, so be ready to move side to side.
Mini pitches in 10 different locations, and it's in 9 districts across the country. And of course, with our partnerships with FIFA, the Ministry of Sports, we're expecting as well to expand and have others in the
shows a partnership, and we really wanted to thank FIFA for all the support we've been receiving in the different projects that the President mentioned, that you also mentioned, but which speaks volume in terms of opportunities that are being given to the young people. If you can all turn around a little bit and look behind you, this is about them. Yes, this is for them, and this is for their visions, their dreams, and what they aspire to become. Today we are launching this as first, as you mentioned, in the big project we have. We already had agreed that we are going to have 1 in each district. Thank you, SG, because I believe you've added another 2 in every district, if I'm not mistaken. So we are targeting to have 90 for Rwanda. But again, we wanted to emphasize on the partnership we have also with AFD, because in this area or this sphere of having infrastructure, it's not only to the youth, to the sport, which is also good for health, but it's also for talent development. So we wanted also to acknowledge the effort and the partnership we have in the Isonga program, where we are seeing a lot of change because there's combination of having the right infrastructure, but also giving them the right skills and the right training. In the same frame, we have also the project of talent development scheme, which we are also benefiting, and we want also to appreciate FIFA for that opportunity. So today marks, yes please. So today marks a symbolic action which